Welcome to the Enbon E-Model Product Showcase. This product stands out with its exquisite craftsmanship and superior performance, making it your best choice. Ultra-thin cabinet. The thickness of the cabinet is only 40 millimeters, reducing power consumption, highly efficient and energy-saving. The dimensions of the cabinet are 1000 millimeters by 250 millimeters. It can also be cut to 750 millimeters, 250 millimeters, and 500 millimeters to 150 millimeters. Flexible cutting can be cut at a 45 angle to form a 90 L-shaped column, facilitating easy installation and combination. The front maintenance wall mount eliminates the need for rear maintenance channels, making it ideal for indoor recessed or wall-mounted settings. LED modules can be easily removed using suction tools for frontal maintenance, simplifying the repair process. Quick maintenance. You do not need to disassemble cables, enabling quick maintenance operations and improving efficiency. Front maintenance makes disassembly and maintenance easier and is suitable for environments that require frequent maintenance.